16 women, 8 countries, business leaders representing thousands driving regional trade across East Africa's integrated markets. Each one leads a network of farmers, suppliers, tour operators, manufacturers, and young entrepreneurs. Together, they are the East African Women in Trade champions, strengthening the region's economic future.
This is a really important initiative, the aim of which is to inspire women in business by showcasing those that have been successful, both at professional level but also in business, so that through that inspiration, other women in business will also learn that it's actually possible.
Women form 50% of the community in terms of the population. So for us to be able to empower the community and to grow the community as a whole, then we cannot leave out the 50% of the population.
So the purpose of this platform is to create visibility, to create an encouragement to the other women.
Across East Africa, trade is more than the movement of goods. It is the movement of people, of ideas, of ambition. It is how livelihoods are built, how communities grow, and how a region connects to itself and the world. Women are at the center of East Africa's economies. They produce, they process, they trade across borders, formal and informal, local and regional. They are manufacturers, exporters, innovators, and employers. Yet, their contribution has mostly remained unseen, undervalued, and unsupported by systems not designed with them in mind. Because of this, women traders face daily barriers, limited access to finance, regulatory hurdles, high compliance costs, and restricted market information. This is not due to a lack of skill, but because systems have not kept pace with their reality. The East Africa Women in Trade initiative exists to change all that, recognizing women not as beneficiaries, but as key actors and drivers of regional integration. Across the region, women are transforming enterprise and creating impact, turning local knowledge into regional trade. These are not isolated success stories. They are proof of what happens when women are recognized and given space to lead. The impact goes far beyond profit. It creates employment, strengthens households, and builds resilient communities. When women trade, value chains grow stronger and economies grow smarter.
The award is basically to recognize these women, the champions. We have been able to identify 16 women, 2 per partner states of the East African community. And by awarding them is to show appreciation and recognize them for the outstanding job they are doing.
I am very happy and excited today for getting this recognition. It is so encouraging, so much, and it shows that what we do is not being recognized locally only, but also regionally.
I'm ready to work with the community and all the other women.
Honorable Semuwemba calls upon partner states, financial institutions, private sector leaders, and development partners to invest in platforms that elevate women traders, expand access to finance and technology, strengthen mentorship networks, and support gender-responsive sourcing and procurement practices.
My main observation, especially in this trade fair, was just how many women were able to participate. So it's my expectation that at the next fair, we will have an even bigger and better award ceremony. We will continue to work on the categorization so that we have a broad-based approach covering different sectors.
East Africa Women in Trade is an initiative of the EAC Secretariat in partnership with the East African Business Council, the East African Women in Business Platform, and GIZ, with support from the European Union and the German Federal Ministry of Economic Affairs.